I'm coming to y'all with a video tonight to show you guys my new hair routine. Right now things are a little bit tight. I don't have a lot of money to spend on hair stuff and just moved into the new place, you know. So this is just what I can afford right now, and it's what's working for me. I've been doing it for 3 days straight now. I used to do this before beauty school until they convinced me that you should not put coconut oil in your hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I do best and learn the hard way. So first, I'm gonna put Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner repair cream into my hair. I just took a shower, so my hair is kind of wet. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this leave-in conditioner in there. And this is just for now. This is just until I can do some, experimenting and buy some professional products. This is just what I'm gonna do for now. It's the lock method. You're gonna put a leave-in and then you're gonna put your oil in on top of that to lock in that moisture. So I believe in this method, even if people are starting to sway away from it. I still believe in it 120%. So the coconut oil that I got is this coconut oil you can get from Walmart. You can get it from any grocery store. It is cold pressed, unrefined, chemical free, vegan coconut oil. So I got this from Walmart, and then this is melted just because it's warm in the house. So I'm just gonna take this on my hands like this and just put it over that leave-in conditioner. And I just do this until I don't see any more leave-in. And ideally I would do this when my hair is more wet. I kind of waited too long and my hair dried, but this is fine for me too. And then tomorrow when I shower, I'll just rinse out this coconut oil. I won't wash it out, I'll just rinse it out with water. And then I'll put I'll redo the whole process. Not every day, but I'll put, like, the next day I'll put maybe just a leave-in and some gel or something. But I want to say I am gonna be doing this like very often. And when I used to do this like a long time ago, I never got like buildup or anything. If anything, I saw like my hair become more healthy. So I've never actually seen it not work. I love the way like my hair dries using this method. So yes. And then I'll just take a little more and like really try to massage that in my scalp. Make sure I get my edges. Like really massage it in there. And then just go through it with a comb again. Wipe wide tooth comb or a wet brush, whatever you prefer. I use both. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, y'all. I don't know how effective it is putting coconut oil in your hair. A lot of people in beauty school told me, you know, don't do that. Don't do it. But here I am doing it anyway. You can put the coconut oil on your skin, you know. I just love it. I believe in it. And until somebody can put a product in my hand and sell it to me that I 110% believe in, I'm gonna stick with this cheap method of moisturizing my hair until I can find something better. So yeah, these are the curls.